Tired of copying and pasting information between Notion and other apps? Well, get ready to unlock the power of no-code automation, because in the next minute, I'll show you how to create Zapier automations in Notion that will revolutionize your workflow. First, head over to Zapier.com and log in or create a new account. Zapier is the magic tool that connects Notion to thousands of other apps. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button. This is where the automation magic happens. Now, choose Notion as your trigger app. The trigger is the event in Notion that starts the automation. For instance, a new database item being created. Select New Database Item as the trigger event. Then connect your Notion account to Zapier by following the prompts. We'll need to grant Zapier access to your Notion workspace. Next, select the specific Notion database you want to monitor for new items. This is where the Zap will look for changes. Now it's time to add an action. Let's say you want to send an email notification whenever a new task is added to your Notion database. Choose Gmail as your action app. Select Send Email as the action event. Then connect your Gmail account to Zapier. Configure the email details, like the recipient, subject, and body. You can dynamically insert data from your Notion database into the email. For example, add the task title to the subject line or the task description to the email body. Just click inside the subject or body to use the drop-down. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Now, every time a new task is added to your Notion database, you'll automatically receive an email notification. And that's it. You've successfully created a Zapier automation in Notion. Experiment with different triggers and actions to automate even more of your workflows and supercharge your productivity.